Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Clara. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Everybody look here. Hey.
Clara, look.
Clara.
Look. Yeah, Emma, please look. Isabella.
Blow out the candle.
Okay.
Help her.
Blow.
Yay! She eating it?
That's really. I think I've been at everybody's first birthday. I think.
Not Emma's.
Where was Emma?
This is the handle for...
You don't want cake? Are you a real Edmonds?
She didn't act like she liked it. That tastes really good.
I know.
It's
Well,
real,
she
it's real
just
wet.
ate a lot of macaroni and cheese, so.
Oh, you know why it's not going to fit? Because I got to scoop this stuff in.
Come on, grab it, Clara.
Well, it never can just come out of the box, can it?
Some of those toys, they say it's unbreakable. They break it as soon as they get home.
Hey, be looking at her so I can get a picture of all of you.
I think she's just going to play with it. I don't think she's going to eat it.
He's scared.
She's looking at me.
Look.
Who's he?
Say look.
Oh. You going to eat it?
Do you have to have your truck locked up?
I don't think she's hungry. Hold on.
The keys to the truck?
Yeah.
Get your cake.
Well, Clara, you like this.
It's better out there, but.
Oh, there it goes in the hair. Going in the hair now, Dad.
Alright. I don't think so.
Clara, what are you doing? You're a mess. You're a mess. Yeah. Here you go. Open your present.
Do we have to help? Do we have to help her?
Marilyn, she's opening her present.
Oh, okay.
I want me to help her.
Just show her how to pull it. Clara, Clara, help her. No, she's not interested. Okay, go ahead and open it for her. Show her the box. Ooh, what do you got, Clara? Yeah, you're not interested, are you?